The 2025 X Peng P7 Century is not just a car, it's a bold statement of what the future of electric mobility looks like. With a sleek, aerodynamic body and a commanding presence, the P7 Century is the pinnacle of Chinese EV innovation, combining luxury, performance, and intelligence in one compelling package. From the moment you see it, the futuristic front fascia with its piercing LED headlights and sculpted black grille demands attention. Its elegant curves and bold stance give off a sporty yet executive vibe, designed to turn heads whether it's cruising through city streets or parked in a showroom. Underneath the hood, or rather, beneath the sleek exterior, is a state-of-the-art electric powertrain. With dual motors delivering all-wheel drive performance, the P7 Century offers exhilarating acceleration, taking you from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 4 seconds. But it's not just fast, it's smart. Equipped with XPeng's advanced autonomous driving system, XPILOT 5.0, the vehicle features LiDAR, high-definition cameras, and millimeter-wave radar to provide a semi-autonomous driving experience that adapts to traffic, weather, and road conditions in real dash time. Step inside, and you're welcomed by an interior that feels like a luxury lounge fused with a command center. The panoramic sunroof bathes the cabin in natural light, while the dual-screen digital cockpit displays real-time driving data, navigation, and entertainment options. Peg-grade leather seats, ambient lighting, and a minimalist dashboard design all contribute to an atmosphere of calm sophistication. Advanced voice commands, facial recognition, and AI learning systems make interaction seamless and futuristic. When it comes to range, the 2025 P7 Century impresses with over 700 kilometers on a single charge, thanks to its next-gen high-density battery pack. And with ultra-fast charging, you can recover up to 200 kilometers of range in just 15 minutes, ensuring minimal downtime on long trips. Connectivity is another highlight. The car comes equipped with 5G, allowing for constant cloud updates, streaming, remote vehicle management, and integration with your smart home ecosystem. Safety, of course, remains a top priority. The P7 Century includes a full suite of active and passive safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance, and an emergency braking system. It's engineered to not only protect its occupants, but also prevent accidents before they happen. With its stunning design, groundbreaking technology, and powerful performance, the 2025 X Peng P7 Century isn't just keeping up with the global EV market, it's aiming to lead it. This car is a glimpse into the next generation of driving, electric, intelligent, luxurious, and undeniably stylish.